Want to read Instagram messages without showing seen? Here's how to turn off read receipts on Instagram DMs. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the messenger icon in the top right corner to open your DMs. Now, open the chat where you want to turn off read receipts. Tap the person's name at the top of the chat to open chat settings. Next, tap the privacy and safety option. Here, look for the option called Read Receipts. Simply turn it off. Once it's off, the other person won't see the seen label when you read their messages. If you don't see this option yet, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version, as the feature is still rolling out to some users. And that's it. You've successfully turned off read receipts on Instagram DMs. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple Instagram tips.